Particles. All right, so now I'm going to take this piece and pretty much go like that. Just a little cuter. It might be just a bit dusty. Just a bit dusty, but that's okay. This is just about done, and this is where I'm at. This is my, I think this is called an infinite baffle, just because of the, design of it. But this is basically how the box layout is going to be. There was a ring that was hanging on the back side, or on the outside of there, which came off easily, like no glue or anything. So that was like, this is a perfect template for me. And after a ton of cutting and drilling, well, I got I think my final product here. So this is pretty darn close. I just drilled 2 holes next to each other and then was able to get the Sawzall. Yeah, I was able to get that Sawzall blade in there and then start and then keep relieving and just keep getting all the way around here. But that's all done. So now with after that, you can see it might be just a hair dusty in here. That's all I'm saying. Um, it's time to put the sub in, or actually mark the holes for the sub, so then I can go back and actually finish putting the baffle in. Yeah, messed up somewhere in there. Otherwise, if you get this crap out the way, bit dusty. This side of it's all done. Alright, it is another beautiful day, and this is all set and done. It's got the inside infinite baffle installed and ready to rock. But yeah, it's all done, all glued up, all ready to roll. I just gotta pretty much put my speaker in, my dusty Scar here. That's hopefully gonna sound good, but yeah, I got everything, and now it's sanded and looking pretty good. Inside the cabin, RCA's, grounds in here. That's gotta go out front. That's inside cabin. I'm gonna try and make this obviously as easy as possible. Battery side is on driver's side. This is tough. Get on my way. That's where I'm going in. Yeah, wiring mess, but mainly hidden. It's a little bit away from the main harness there, but still up against it. And I have the rest to lay. I'll probably put it over here somewhere in this area. And I ended up finding, like right past this corner here, is this little kind of factory made cut in the carpet. And I fed it through right there, which is perfect for all the extra wire I have for that. And that may not have been the easiest, because I had to take the box back out to get the ground wire. There was a cute little screw that already went into the metal back there, so I utilized that was already there, and yeah, I got the ground cable. You can kind of see it pulling. It's on the back wall there. Anyway, it doesn't fit perfect. I think I overshot it by 3/4 of an inch, because this right here, this board, is pretty much the thickness of too much of why this doesn't sit flat down in there. Right now it kind of hangs up on the little storage boxes. Otherwise I think it would slip down all the way, but yeah, that definitely hindered it just a hair, but still gonna be able to use it just the same. It's only taking up 3/4 of an inch more, but leaves a gap right there, which I might use for the amp, because that might actually be a good slot for the amp. Actually, is back of the radio work. So got RCA's and the remote wire to run, and I think that's about it, besides gonna go grab the amp. Alright, wires are kind of missing. I've already got some stuff like in the way, but yeah, it's all back there. Got the RCA's and the power wire, remote wire, blue. There is good. We're all hooked in as far as the amp goes, and it's all laid this way, but I still have obviously to go up under the dash and to rip the radio out and do that much. So Well, regardless to say, this is all together again. I accidentally blew the fuse because yeah, it's a good thing to read, especially when it says plus 12 versus ground. So just have to hide some wires, and that'll be that. As always, appreciate you guys watching, and until the next project, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day.